Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok app. Today we will show you how to delete your current account on TikTok. So let's go to the TikTok app, and to get access to this delete option, let's tap on the three lines option at the top and choose settings and privacy feature. Later you need to pick on the first manage account option and tap on the delete account. Later you need to choose why you want to delete your account. Okay, so as an example, I will tap on the first option, and later I need to pick on the continued, but remember that you will have 3 days to reactivate our account before the account is permanently deleted. So no problem. Okay, let's tap on the continue. Later, let's pick on the dot at the bottom of the screen and tap on the continue button again. Repeat your choice, please. And well done. Let's continue with Google to verify. Later, let's tap on the continue option. Choose our needful account and tap on the delete account feature. Delete. Wait a minute, please. Account is switched. So guys, this is our second account, because the first account we show you before is absolutely disabled. So guys, right now I hope that you know how to remove the needful user from the TikTok application, and you can repeat these settings on your own device. Don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel HardReset.Info on YouTube and also on TikTok. Bye bye.